was the wing. Warfare isn't just won in the skies, it's also won in the minds of the men who fight. The Hellcat wasn't flashy. It didn't have the sleek allure of a Mustang or the mystique of a Spitfire, but on the decks of American carriers it became a symbol of trust. Ground crews admired it because it was easy to repair. Line mechanics could access its systems quickly. Engineers praised its modular build. And perhaps most important of all, pilots walked toward it knowing it gave them a real chance of coming home. That morale boost spread. Squadron after squadron reported fewer losses. Pilots returned with victories, not just survival. And because Grumman built the Hellcat with mass production in mind, factories churned them out by the thousands. Over 12,000 F-6Fs were produced during the war, more than any other naval aircraft in history. It was simple. It was effective. It worked. And much of that effectiveness ironically stemmed from the very feature that once drew doubt and ridicule, that crazy wing design. It was a risk, a gamble, a break from tradition, but it had paid off in steel, fire, and victory. June 19, 1944, the Battle of the Philippine Sea. The sun rose hot over the Philippine Sea as Task Force 58 sliced through the waves. Hundreds of American warships, carriers, cruisers, and destroyers stretched across the ocean. The full weight of U.S. naval air power focused on one objective: destroy Japan's ability to fight in the air. The Japanese combined fleet, desperate to stop the American advance into the Marianas, had launched almost 450 carrier-based aircraft. Their mission was bold: strike hard, wipe out American carriers, and halt the U.S. island-hopping campaign. The U.S. Navy knew they were coming, and they had something the Japanese had not encountered in full force before: F-6F Hellcats. As radar screens lit up with incoming squadrons, U.S. carriers scrambled wave after wave of Hellcats into the sky. Pilots launched in tight formations, climbed to intercept altitude, and banked toward the incoming threat. The battle was about to become the largest carrier-based aerial conflict in human history. It was here, in these skies, that the Hellcat would earn its legacy. Over the next 8 hours, Hellcats engaged enemy bombers and fighters in massive dogfights stretching across hundreds of miles. The sky turned into a chaotic dance of tracer fire, contrails, and plummeting wreckage. What happened next became legend. Hellcat pilots tore through Japanese formations with ruthless precision.